Over the last 2 years, we have extensively carried out trials of both Triton and Oris. Triton is an artificially enabled system of cameras which detects anybody who goes into the danger zone into the waters, sends a warning signal to our control center, and thereafter the lifeguards can be alerted either by an audio warning or both video also. Once the lifeguards are alerted, a jet ski or a surfboard can be put into the water and the victim rescued effectively. At the same time, the Triton system can autonomously warn the tourist if he's going to be stepping into the danger zone. It has got a speaker system which makes regular announcements. For example, like you're going to step into the danger zone, you are getting into dangerous waters, there is a rip current in this area, please come out. And from our experience, we have seen a large number of tourists do heed these warnings and come out. We plan to deploy this in no swim zones or the areas which are not safe for swimming, or in river areas which are closer to the beaches where there are rivers, unmanned areas, rocky areas. Just a system with artificial intelligence detects somebody getting into the water, issues a warning, and the tourist forewarned and does not go into the water.